Hey, sekuhlwile umuntu esebenza bakithi umanzi amabhuzi manje egcwele amanzi. Ngicela ukukhuluma nabakithi ke bafethu ke manje. Ma MKs. Bafowethu. Ngeke sikwazi ukuba ngabaholi sonke. As much as kusemqoka ukuthi sinike iplatform yokuthi siventilate sisha ama ideas ethu. Mhlambe endaweni njengo TikTok kanje. Nakwezinye indawo kodwa first sazi ukuthi imbono mayiseminingi kakhulu iyagcina si create confusion. Iyagcina futhi ne leadership ingasazi feyilalele bani iye ulalela bani. Angisho ukuthi akasithuleke. Kodwa ngithi sibe patient. Kunokwenzeka kube umbono wakho ungafiki ku leadership noma ifike ibe eminingi leadership umbono wakho ungaphenduleki ngendlela nangesikhathi ofisa ngaso. We need to understand and accept that. Ngisho ngoba abantu abaningi abanye mase bebeka imbono bafuna quickly bebona ama results for imbono yabo. To the point that if lo mbono yabo inga translate into immediate action badikila bedisbande kube sengathi bona hayi lana silalela sibaningi bafethe emkhontweni. Nani ke futhi leadership phela khona njengamanje solayo. As understand ukuthi njengoba ikhona nje nayo inama ideas nawo inezinto efuna ukuzenza idinga isikhathi inanemndeni sometimes idinga ukuthi biyiphe attention kuyona so abazokuzwa yonke into esishoyo ngesikhathi sifisa ukuthi sibezwe ngayo nangendlela esibezwe ngayo. Let's give them a chance. And what I like ukuthi uZuma ufake only seasoned cadres there at the top. Abantu abangawona amavukana, they know what they're doing. You can't doubt what Floyd is thinking. You can't doubt what Babu Mchunu is thinking. You can't doubt Abo Brian what they're thinking there, or Brian Molefe. You can't doubt Advocate Mkobani. You can't doubt Tumbeza. Those people, they know what they're doing there. So siyadinga ukuthi to some extent sinikeze our own belief to them and allow processes to unfold. Of course, now they have to be conscious. We are waiting and we've been waiting for the past 8 years. So whatever processes are being facilitated have to start in showing good performance here and there. But I'm not saying around. To the point that I call a weakness MK. Speaking is important as listening. So if so bagimbono ke manje ngendlela ukuthi wonke umuntu ukhuluma noze voice note ukhuluma for 10 minutes with voice note, who will sit and listen to a voice note of 10 minutes kube kukhona amanye ama voice note awu 100 afawalalela. So we need to understand ukuthi we are engaged in a dialogue is very important. Mawuthola ithuba lokukhuluma qeqeqeqe unless uyikhulumela kwi YouTube page kwi TikTok page yakho njengami nje. Kodwa makuthiwe uparticipate kwi-platform where kunama-cadres amanye amaningi. 10 seconds mningi. Sizokuzwa. Sikhona sozwa nabanye. Ngoba sikwi-dialogue and kuningi esikuzwayo. Kodwa bengifuna ukusho-ke nje kukodwa ukuthi ngeke silide sonke bafethu. And ama-leaders ngokuhlola kwawo nama-styles awahlukene in their own way. So we have to allow the processes and allow leadership to express themselves and apply themselves. In terms of how do they understand where this movement needs to be taken to. Lord will allow me a social content. Not all of us could lead at the same time. Let us also speak and also listen and give others a chance to listen and do what they think they could do. Kusemqoka nje lokho futhi ngoba imbono mayisiminingi futhi wonke umuntu efuna ukubona akushilo kwenzeka kugcina sekunenkinga bafethu ukuthi khona uzobona agcina ebona sangathena kalalelwa. Kube nenhliziyo encane oba nokudekila. Calm down ma social content. Njengamanje let's asavumela ama leaders akhulume. Thina okwethu ukuvala imlomo singene egroundini simobilize abantu uthi liyafika ilanga la ngo2026 lokuvota. Lifika sesi ready abantu basibawazi umkhonto ufuna ukwenza nomkhonto endaweni abaphila kuzona. Iloko sikudinga ukufocus akukhona. But ukuthi sonke sicabanga ukuthi sohamba siyo influence nationally, si influence provincial, sishiya locally. Community level live voting come. So we can't be doing that. Focus ground forces. Focus in your community. Be active there if you can. Create awareness. mobilize the people, and try to be useful to the point that the day siyovota uyazi yakhe community ukuthi I know ngiwinile lapha nalapha nalapha nalapha. So nje lokho ngisho ma-social media ukuthi not all of us must lead. We have elected leadership. Let's give it space to lead. Let's try to push our views, but let's have more patience to listen to others. At the same time, give those we express ourselves to be able to hear us and see if they could also listen to other people, then decide what to do. Ngoba njengamanje emkhontweni, I feel like wonke umuntu feel like uyi-leader, which is a good thing. But okusemqoka manje uzokwazi yini ukuthi ube nenhliziyo ukuthi sometimes umuke nabanye nabo babeka imbono yabo, mhlambe ngeke ingene yonke imbono, mhlambe embalwa kumbe ethize eyogcina ilandelo, ngoba kuthiwa phela yebo naye awaqeda ngamanzi ngolimi kodwa suke sekuthatha isikhathi. Patience masosha, ground forces, focus in your community, educate, mobilize.